Monkeypox. Monkeypox is a virus of the family of Poxviridae, which also contains the viruses which are variola, which was the cause of smallpox, or vaccinia, which was used in making the vaccine for smallpox. And the disease of smallpox, although was eradicated in 1978, but after that, this virus of the same family has now been reported. But the first case of monkeypox was very in the early days when it was first recorded in 1970s as a first human case, and it has been mainly started from the countries of South Africa, which are namely Congo and Nigeria. Currently, we have known about it that it has two strains, which has that the strain which was discovered in Congo, and the other one is an West African strain discovered in Nigeria. The strain of Congo, or the Central African strain, had higher mortality of about 10%, or we can say the case fatality rate of 10% compared to the disease which was discovered in West Africa or Nigeria, which had a case fatality rate of 1% only. So, in this way, the monkeypox had been around for many days around us, and also there are many drugs which are available for this because it has a similarity with the disease of smallpox. Also, it has been it has regarding its natural reservoirs. The natural reservoir of monkeypox is African rodent or monkeys, which were at time in 2003 were imported to USA and were being used as pets, and there was also an outbreak in the USA in 2003 regarding monkeypox. Also, these rats or monkeys have been indirectly been in a contact of monkeypox, and the main mode of transmission of monkeypox had been the contact with infected animals, that is a bite or scratch from the monkey or the rodent, or it can be directly from the body fluid or the sores or the papules which are formed on the infected person or the clothing of the person and having a contact with them directly, or it can be with the materials which have been contaminated by the virus from an infected person, or due to intimate contact with the person who had monkeypox. And when it comes to the symptoms of this disease, the symptoms mainly are those of a regular viral fever. The incubation period is of about 7 to 14 days, and it can go up to maximum of 21 days. And it starts with fever and then rash after 1 to 2 days. The rash initially start around genital organs, that is around penis or anus, and also on the palms, and it might first appear to be a sexually transmitted disease. For example, that the rashes around anus may make it as a suspect of herpes virus, or the rashes present on the palms can be made to say that this had been a cause of secondary syphilis. But after few days, those rashes at the palms or at the genital region spread to all of the body, and it is linked with other constitutional features like headache, myalgia, or chills and exhaustion, and also most importantly it has lymph node involvement, which was not seen with the case of smallpox when it was present in the epidemiology. And regarding the cases and regarding the diagnosis of monkeypox, the suspect cases can be patients with new onset rash, or those who meet the epidemiological criteria of a contact with person having similar rashes, or contact with the named exotic pets, or travel to endemic zone or country. Also, we can have a DD of secondary syphilis or herpes or varicella also, which due to its involvement of the rashes which first appear around our genital organs. About confirming the cases, we can do PCR for monkeypox virus, or we can have from the and by taking culture from the source. Regarding the severity of disease, the disease normally is self-limiting in most of the cases, but in cases of severe disease, it can cause hemorrhagic lesions or sepsis or encephalitis. Also, the high-risk patients are those who have reduced immunity, for example, patient of AIDS, leukemia, or patient who had body organ transplant, or are on steroids, or patients who are pregnant or are breastfeeding. And finally, regarding treatment of monkeypox, we can use do not have any drug specifically available for monkeypox only, but the drugs available for smallpox can be used for treatment of monkeypox and have been found to be somewhat effective. And the FDA approved drug for monkeypox are tecovirimat and brincidofovir. And also we can use post-exposure prophylaxis of varicella immunoglobulin vaccine to help prevent this disease in doctors if they come in contact with the patients who are infected with monkeypox. Thank you.